Video 24. Copy of data, roof floor. In this video, I will guide you to copy data and complete the roof plan. Select icon in the title bar. Choose copy or move object between data. Allplan dialog box appears. Select the copy we need to show. In the dialog box, the screen displays selecting the building structure icon. Next, select the drawing for the floor you want to copy. Click OK. Select All on the dialog box to copy all the objects in the second floor drawing. To check the data we have copied, double-click on the left mouse button twice on the screen to display the building structure folder. Select the floor plan of the terrace. Check in the title bar. Change text, word, in the drawing of the second floor plan to the roof floor plan. View the operations performed on the display screen. Delete all objects on the ground, including text, material hatch, elevation, etc. On screen display all deleted objects. Next, more roof tiles and drainage slopes will be created for the roof floor. Create tiled roofs using the basic commands on the toolbar, creating contour for the roof surface. Create drainage seno groove. Add text, material hatch for the roof floor. On the display screen, hatch all materials for the roof floor, adding letters and symbols for drainage slug. Measure all distances on the roof surface. On the display screen, measure all ground sizes. I invite you to watch the next video on how to create objects in the library.